Hi, in this video we'll see how to insert a table and how to write it. So I'm just going directly to home insert tab and the table section is there. So I'm just writing example there will be column will be 3. You can select and how many row you can select on your own. Okay. Otherwise you can insert table and you can define how many number of column, how many number of rows. Example number of column is 3 and number of rows is 10. Okay. Right. And you see the fixed column width auto or auto fit to content, auto fit to window, so you can define on your own. That also you can do. So example here I'm just selecting the student name. Okay, so here I'm putting Lee, okay, uh, Roy and Ricky and Simon. Simon. Okay, and here example I'm mark of English mark, right? English and okay, mathematics. Wait, you can define 10. Sorry, sorry. Okay, so this example I'm writing 60, 70, 80, 65. Okay, and here example I'm writing 56, 67, 87, 90. You can define here. So this is how to write the insert the table, and you can uh, write the table. You want to insert one more column. Example mathematics. You want to put language. The select column, and here I just selected that particular column. You are seeing the insert one column is there. Insert. I just selected insert column. Right, insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right, and to right, insert right, insert right. So here I just select language. Okay, so language maybe I'm putting, I missed the mark, so I'm putting again here. It's okay, and this is how to do the insert. So again you want to insert one more, insert, go to insert and select insert again. Okay, again you want to delete it. Example, you wrongly inserted one column, so just select that one and go to delete table, delete row, and just delete the column, right? And delete column. Now you want to only 4 people are there, right? You want to make it different. You want to add one more column. Example, just click insert the row you want, add insert below, the row will get added. You see, right? So this is how the insert row, insert column, no, everything it happens. Similarly, to make it heading, so you just go here and do the select the layout and design. Okay, you can do different shading. Example, you can define different color, you can set it. Okay, or different border style you can make it, which line, whichever line you want to make it. So you can define your own. Okay, so border you can define here how the border happen, border color, border style. Okay, you can define which border which color also should be. Okay, next is you can display through design which template which grid. Here you can define on your own. There are different methods there, no need to figure it. Now see, I selected and I selected the design and I select the table styles. Okay, so this is how the insert tables. Okay, and it happens. Okay, so you can define on your own. Okay, so you can define insert different design. Okay, you can define insert shading, but still you can define. Okay, which color you want to define, that also you can define. Okay, so this is how the MS Word table structure it works. Okay, if you like this video, please uh, like this hit button, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and you can watch my all other video. You can go to the playlist and you can watch the entire series of what in my next video.